We back. Playing a show in Windsor tonight. I'm very excited. Been a while since I made a vlog, so kind of just figuring it out. Yeah, did my nails for the show. Feeling really pretty. It's packed up. Trav's changing over there. Doing some GoPro type stuff here. Going to Windsor. Windsor baby. Windsor babe. Oh yeah, papa. At the greatest restaurant ever. Kind of forgot how much filming fucking sucks. Wow. I got a water there too.
You never go thirsty in this car.
Just at a convenience store. Trav's just getting some darts. And yo, Tim's, what the fuck, bro? Is this almond milk? I don't think so. Every time. It tastes like, oh, it's milky. There's a lot of these things. What are these things? Yo, if you know what these are, leave a comment. Quick little stop at the en route. Travis is going pee-pee. I'm sitting out here holding mine in just because I don't even know why, but that's what I'm doing. There's Trav.
I got scammed, bro.
Your Boston cream literally fucking melted in the bag.
You don't think I can one bite it?
You try. Yummy. No, you can't even do it. No way. Pretty good. We made it. Windsor. This is not the venue. Whoa, it worked.
Right there.
You were literally sick. You were literally playing right there tonight. Right there. Good evening, Travis.
Good evening.
Got some time to kill before load in. Walking around. This is pretty cool. Look at this. The world's largest flag. Wow. I thought we were in Windsor. We're in Vegas? Whoa. Wow. Casino, pretty crazy. Caesars, pretty crazy. Travel won it big, 20,000.
Yeah. I'm retired.
Holy shit, I almost fell. Damn. A squirrel over there. Squeak, squeak. Got a slice of pizza for the show. Loading in. Fuck yeah. Homie.
Fuck yeah.
Art. That's unreal. Do another, do another. Day after the show, pretty good. Taking a complimentary coffee.
Trying to find the bird.
The bird.
Bird with bread on him.
What? Show was super good. Windsor, fucking cool. We had a couple of beers. Went and got the continental breakfast. Anyways, hope this video turns out okay. We're playing in London next Saturday, and then we're in Brampton on the 30th. So we got more shows coming. I'm gonna have my drink. I'll catch you on the other side. Blue jeans, shiny.